What is up guys, this is Jerome from the Biscuit Gamer and welcome to my first Minecraft Let's Play video. So yeah, this is Minecraft H2 game. So yeah, let's read the rules. Set difficulty to peaceful, don't destroy or place any blocks. If you die you'll have to start from the beginning. So don't jump off buildings if it's too high. Grab some cards from the minecart storage room. It's a storage room. That's the Minecraft storage room. Sometimes fences indicate where you are not supposed to go. Use the texture pack. Those don't look so dirty. Nah, I don't care. Don't care about that texture pack. So, have fun, yay! Minecraft storage. Here. One player stay. Let's take two. In case let's try 3. Yeah, we got 4, yay! What's this? Cool computer screen for cool people. Yeah, I'm a cool people. This for me only. Another cool screen. Yeah, another cool screen. Yeah, baby. Start. Oh, a TV is this? That TV sucks. I hate it. Press the button for a relaxing sound. Okay. Woo! That's almost pretty relaxing. Oh look. So I need supposed to be here. Where should I need supposed to go? Maybe over here. Go. Oh, I don't want to be snowy day. Wait, just let me do this. There we go. I'm gonna go set that toggle zone. No worry, I'm not going to cheat. Just want no snowy day. Just want a normal day, a normal night, a normal parkour. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Supposed to go here? No. No. I'm going to die if I go down there. Let's do this. Wait, turning. No. Okay. Let's do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. No! Not doing it. Let's go over there. This is awesome. Wow. Huh. This is so cool. But this is cool if you have friends to go play with. Right? Then it's just awesome. Awesome, I say. Awesome. Oh, look at snow. I'm in an ice. I'm so sorry about that ice. You're not a nicer snow. You're nice. You're nice ice. I want to shut my face. Let's go. 360. 360. Pew! Where should we go now? Right there? Oh, wait, over here. Hey. Let's try this. Let's do this. Go. Over here. But here. No, actually not over here. We're supposed to parkour. We're here to parkour. Parkour. We finished the parkour. At least. Oh, what is that? An ace. A nice ace. Ice, not ace. Ice. Over here. Over here. Over here. Oh, shit. Yeah. No. Over here. I don't want to be sound like retarded Italian. Not being racist, sorry. Just switch levels while you are ready. Okay. Let's go. I get right. Why? Let me ride. Hey. 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 What's your problem? I got right. What the heck? I got right. No, really. Oh, there we go. Oh, again. Let's go. Oh yeah. Only for cool guy. This mission is for cool guy only. Wait, what? That's it? Whoop! It's okay. Go! No! Yay! I survived! I will survive. No matter what! No matter what! There's still a floor. No worry. I will survive. I'm the coolest guy in the world. I will survive. This parkour so easy, even babies can do this. I'm a baby so I can do this. Let's go. I'm a baby. Oh, look at that ice. Why do I like ice so much? Ooh, lava. A lava. A nice lava. Should we go down here? Yeah, I think so. Oh, there you. This building has a hole here. You have to fix this. Let's survive. I will survive. Oh, look at that. I'll survive. What's that? No, no matter what happened, we'll survive. What's this? No, we better not. Oh, look, a cookie. Yay. More cookie. More cookie. More cookie. More cookie. More cookie. More cookie. Okay, the cookie is enough. Let's go. Where should we go? There is someone give us clue. What's this? I can't read it. I can't read it. I can't read. Oh wait, there's still a cookie. More cookie. No more cookie. Wait, what? Where are we supposed to go? Let's hit the random. Wait. No. Maybe some random things. There's a random. Pressure plate here. No. No random pressure plate for you, mister. No random pressure plate. How am I supposed to go? How are we supposed to go? This is madness. Maybe we just try this. I'm a genius! The takes for... Wait, what? That's it? Okay, so yeah, this is the last of the parkour, so if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. So yeah, see ya!